nagpe-prepare na yung asawa ko.
Prepare.
Ayan. Ang oras ngayon dito sa Seattle, Washington ay 2:25 in the afternoon to be exact.
Teka, mainit.
Ayan.
Mamaya na mag-jacket.
Ayan. Okay.
Magkakape pa tayo eh.
Ayan, nagpe-prepare lang yung asawa ko.
Pwede ba ganito? Ano lang?
It's up to you.
Nakapag-jogging?
It's up to you. Yan o.
Yeah.
Mas komportable.
di ba?
Ayan, okay, yan.
Yan. Airport, attire.
Ayan.
Jogging pants.
Ayan.
Komportable, di ba? Ilang oras ka rin doon eh. 15 hours.
So, ang travel mo by Philippine Airlines, right?
Yes.
So, no stopover.
No. Non-stop.
Non-stop.
Direct.
Direct flight.
Yes.
Yan. So, ang alis mo ay,
9:30.
and then ang dating mo sa NAIA ay
Around 4. Past 4.
in the morning.
Yes. Madaling araw.
That was January 20. Right?
Yep.
Yan. Okay.
See you in the Philippines.
Yan. Yan ang dadalhin ni Elilyn papuntang Pilipinas. 2 check-in tsaka isang hand carry. Okay, Ayan.
Pati pagpa-plan.
Ayan. Talaga ready.
Halika dito.
Ready to rumble.
Halika dito at tansyahin mo buhok ko. Di ko abot likod.
Yan, okay yan.
Binablog ko.
Ano pa tawag dyan?
Hair straightening. Plancha.
Plancha. Hindi ba yung ribbon?
Ang ribbon may gamot. Eto, plancha lang.
Ayan.
Wala tayong pera pang ribbon.
So, what can you say? See you?
See you in the Philippines.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ayan.
Peace.
Ayan, ready na si wifey. Ayan.
Pa tayo.
What can you say, Caleb? That your tita Nene will go to the Philippines. Ha?
Thank
Ayun.
Thank you, Kayla.
You will miss tita Nene?
Of course.
Okay.
We'll
Kiss
see
her.
you in the
Kiss
Philippines.
your tita Nene. Kiss.
Mama Nene.
Mama Nene.
Oh, kiss.
Wow. Okay.
Kayla, you're so sweet. Okay, play.
Very sweet.
Very sweet naman ang baby namin.
Ayan. Ne, face the camera, ne. Ayan.
Wanna
Ayan.
play? Oh,
Ayun.
I don't know. Just
Okay. Again, see you.
see you later in the airport.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Habi. Ayan, magkakape po muna kami bago niya ako ihatid sa airport.
Lagi ko itong ginagawa kay YP.
Sweet po siya sa akin.
Pagkagaling niya sa trabaho, ako
Taga-timpla ng kape. At saka taga-prito ng itlog and everything. Siya po yung nag-aayos niya.
Si Evelyn.
Iiyak na yan. Tingnan ko nga.
Hindi, pwede. Ganun lang talaga ako.
Oh, masyado kang madrama.
Oh,
Halika dito, magkape tayo.
okay.
Dali mo dito, kuha ka ng kape doon.
Ayan.
May kape na dyan?
Oh,
Okay,
ayan.
okay. Come
Ayan.
here. Sige, so sweet naman.
Ayan.
Okay.
Ayan, pag
Mamaya ka na umiyak pagdating sa airport. Grabe ka naman. Kala mo naman maghihiwalay tayo eh.
Ayan, ito, ayan.
Ayan, magkape muna tayo. Yan po.
Ayan.
Hi. Hey, love you want coffee?
Yan, nene. Yan. Yan.
Yes.
Okay. Have a seat, Caleb.
I wanna drink coffee first before I go.
Yan.
Para artista lang eh, lahat ng moves binablog eh.
Yan. Yan, kape. Yan.
Ayun.
Okay. Yan, Calebski. Okay. Ne.
Oh.
Oh, what can you say?
Thank you. Thank you for preparing me this coffee and this bread.
Ah.
With this cheese.
Okay, yan.
Ito
Yeah.
naman yung binigay sa akin ni Corinne.
How about your family back home in the San Pedro, Laguna?
See you in San Pedro.
Okay. Again, see you in...
See you in the Philippines.
Okay.
Ang kulit eh. Ang daming ganun eh.
Oh,
Kaya what are you doing?
take a look.
Come here. Oh!
Ayan. Si Chesper mag-aatid kasama si Beverly at si Kelipski. Ayan. Ayan si Nene, nakaporma na. Nakaporma na si YP.
Alis na ba?
Ayan, ayan. Ayan, kompleto. Ayan, oh. Ayan, di ba? Oh, sige, ano?
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Pwede. Yung personal ba? Yung personal na nilalagay sa ibaba.
Ayan. Ah, sige. Ayan, lalabas na si wifey.
Kasi yung mga laptop.
Ayan.
Mga ganun.
Ayan, palabas na sila. Ayan.
Yan.
Ayan. Hop, si wifey. Ayan.
Parang artista lang. Ano, Beverly, no? Over na tayo sa video.
Doon ka na sa likod. Ano?
Ano, sakay na ako.
O, nene. Ayan. Ayan.
Ito. Bitbitin mo na lang.
Beverly, sa harap ka na.
Siyempre.
Ayan, ayan, tabi kami. Ayan. Ayan, si...
Yeah.
Ayan. Okay. Nene. See you in the...
Airport.
Ah?
Airport.
See you in the airport. Okay. Ayan, ayan. Ayan.
2 weeks. Bye-bye. See you in the Philippines.
Bibili kami ng dalawa nito.
Bye-bye. Picture ba yan?
Video.
Okay lang. Bye.
Ingat po.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye, ne. Okay. Ne, bye-bye. Okay. You know, Caleb, when you go to the Philippines, you must keep quiet,
No, I
because a lot of people will get mad at you when you are talking too much.
no, I speak tomato.
No, because most people there in the Philippines, you cannot understand you
Chips.
because you speak English.
Alright, you guys.
Unlike the others, they speak Tagalog. So how can they understand?
I can talk to my parents, not my grandma, because grandma talks Tagalog.
So you
Oh, that's an elevator. That's so.
you want to meet your cousin, your first cousin?
That's Tagalog. That's you say Tagalog. I say Chinese.
Oh my God!
Chinese. Because you live at Chinatown, right?
Yeah, I will Chinese and Chinese.
So smart. Of course, you are Chinese.
You know, when you in the Philippines, you will stay there, and then your mommy and your daddy came back to the America, and you will leave your grandma and grandpa.
No, I don't want to stay there by myself. I want to stay in China and tiny.
Okay, that's too much.
Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa Cuba. Aking nakita, babaeng saksakan ng ganda.
Bye.